Good morning to students, myself Ashish Kumar. As we all know that there are completed two chapters and we are through next chapter, that is the third chapter, which is exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. In exponents and powers, first you have to write the formulas. That is, if m is given 3 times, then it will be considered as m cube. If m is considered as 4 times, then it will be m ki power 4. Also, a ki power m into a ki power n, if we have same ways, then the powers will be added. That is, a is equals to m and plus n. Again, if the same has this the same, a ki power m upon a ki power m, then if it is in dividation, then a ki power m, when n comes up, then it will be considered as negative, that is a ki power m minus n. Now, if a to the power n ki power n, then these two powers will be multiplied by each other and will be considered as a ki power n. Okay. Now, the last one is a ki power m upon b ki power m is equals to a upon b ki power n. If both numerator and denominator have the same power, if considered as m, then both will be considered as whole power as m, because the power is same of numerator and denominator too. Okay, so the first starting the exercise, we have to just read and write the formula. So just students see this formula, it also be given in the book, so you can easily understand the coming exercises. Okay students, so I'm just starting the exercises. Now our exercise is exercise 12.1. Our exercise is exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. Okay. Exercise 12.1 says that indicate the base and the exponents and evaluate. A 5 cube. That is, we have to write down 5 times and we have to just multiply. So you can easily do these questions. Now question number second, which one is greater? By rewriting these numbers by times and by C, you can easily consider to easily tell that which number is greater and by how much. Now third, express the following as exponential form. 64 as power of 2. So we have to express 64 as power of 2. We will take the LCM of 64. We will get 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, and 2 1 is 2. So we will get 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is 64 will be considered as 2 to the power 6, because we have it as a power of 2. Okay, as a power of 2. 2 to the power 6 it will become. Okay, like this we have to do the question. Now question number 4, express the following exponential form. Easy. Fourth ka A part we have given 5 3 times and 7 2 times. So that is 5 cube dot 7 ka square. Next, express the following numbers as the product of prime factors. You can easily do these questions. Just very easy. How? Just take the LCM. 5 is the 40, 5 is the 5. 3 2 is 6, 3 7 is 21, 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. We get 5 to power 1 dot 3 to power 1 2 3 4. We get 3 4 times. That is 3 to the power 4. Therefore, 405 will be considered as 5 to the power 1 is equals to 3 to the power 4. Like this we have to do the questions. Okay students? Clear? Now, fifth question number we have to just simply simplify. I have told you the sign indication that plus minus gives out minus, minus plus gives out minus, minus minus gives out plus, and plus plus gives out plus. Just revise these formulas again, and by easily understanding, you can by revising these formulas, you can easily do the simplified question. That is, you can see exercise 6 ka, you can see the question number G, for example. Okay, minus 7 की power 2 into minus 1 की power 9. Okay, suppose अगर आपको पावर ऑड में दी है, तो जो नेगेटिव टर्म है वो चला जाएगा. इट्स अ ट्रिक. आई एम टेलिंग यू द ट्रिक दैट हाउ यू कैन डू इट. दैट अगर पावर पॉजिटिव है और साइन है नेगेटिव का, तो वो नेगेटिव साइन नहीं लगेगा. We can see that power is even, that is 2. That is 7 7 is 49, and we will get cut because now the sign will not come because the power is an even number. Okay, if the power is an odd number, that is minus 1 की power 9, this is 1. But because of the sign, because as we can see that the power in the number is odd, therefore minus 1 will become, that is minus 40. Okay, like this we will do the questions. This we have done. Compare the numbers. You can easily compare the numbers I have given you. Now see question number 8. That 3 to the power x is equals to 7 to the power 39. Now we have to make as a power of 3 to 729. How? By taking the LCM. Simply 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9, 3 is 24, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 7 is 21, 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9, and 3 1 is 3. We get 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 times. That is 3 to the power 6 will become as this. Now we have seen that the power is same, so we can get having same base. Therefore, on comparing, we get x is equals to 6. Simple. By this, we can do the question. This is question number 8, the A part. We can now easily understand this. Okay. Now I'm going to our next exercise, exercise 10.2. It is also very easy. I have told you law of exponents by which we can easily do the questions. Okay. See question number either for exponential form you can do the first, second question easily. Third too. Now I am telling you the question number 4th. What we have to do? We have to evaluate. We have to evaluate. Evaluate the value. Value is given 8 to the power 6 into 8 to the power 3. Okay. Divided by 8 to the power 9. As I have told you that if the powers are different and the same is and the base is same, then the powers will be added. That is 8 to the power 6 plus 3 gives out 9, and it is divided 8 to the power 9. 8 to the power 9 and they will cancel out. We get 1. Okay. Okay, students, clear? Like this, we have to evaluate the questions. Now we can see 4th ka F. We can be 4th ka F. 7 to the power 6. Into 7 to the power 6 into 7 to the power 2 upon 7 to the power 10. We can see that having same base, powers will be added 6, 6, 12, 12 to 14. That is 7 to the power 14 upon 7 to the power 10. Now having same base, powers will be now minus. That is 10 will come upper, 10 will come upstairs, then will be up, then we cancel out 7 to the power 4. Okay. Now we get 7 to the power 4. Like this we can do the question. That is exercise. Now see question number 5. Question number 5, A part. What does it say? It's very easy. I think I will tell you 6 part. It is 6 ka square divided by minus 6 to the power 0 into minus 5 to the power 0. Okay, 6 ka square will be as it is. I have told you that something upon 0 will be always 1. Always. Power से मतलब ही नहीं है आपको. 1 into 1. Something upon 0. If x to the power 0 is given, then it will always equals to 1. If the power is given in 0, then it always be 1. Okay, we get 6 ka square 36 divided by 1 into 1 1. We get 36 in an easy way. Okay, this is question number 5. Question number 6. In a simple way you can do the questions. Now I am telling you question number 7. Question number 7 and its E part. Just see, 1 by 2 to the power x is equals to 1 by 16 to the power 3. Okay, now this we can see that the base is a whole square. Okay, now here it comes 1 to the power. I told you that powers will be multiplied. X into 2 will be 2x. Okay, and 1 by 6 can be considered 1 by 2 का 4 power, because ऊपर 1 है तो 1 की power तो 4 ही रहेगी. So we get 1 by 2 to the power x, 2x is equals to 1 by 2 to the power 12. So we get what we will get now on comparing. We get 2 की power x is equals to 12. On comparing, as we can see that on comparing we get 2x is equals to 12, x is equals to 12 upon 2, we get 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, we get x is equals to 6. That is the power of the value of x will become as 6. Now with this way we can do the questions. Okay students, clear? Question number 8 you can do it yourself in the same way as I have told you. So do the questions by yourself. I have given today. I will also give the PDF web links documents related to these two exercises. You can easily understand from this. So complete this and all the pending works. Till then, we will meet our next video. Till then, complete all your work. And if any queries, answer to little questions, then you can ask me. Thank you, students.